D. Sadana. By profession, I'm an HR assistant manager, and by passion, I'm an astrologer. Practicing astrology, I'm a tarot reader, face reader, and numerologist. So today, I would like to share two things. First of all, one incident or research. I would say one research.
Yes.
I will discuss about 2 minutes, and then I'll tell you a few tips about face reading as well. So the research I wanted to say, since Manish Rawat is the hottest topic here, he's a very close friend of mine. And so obviously we are very, like, we are six friends, very close together. We are very close together, and Manish Rawat, he got his visa refusal. So everyone was trying their best so that he should get visa, and we were just like, day and night we were studying. So we all were trying, everyone in this group, whole group, we were trying that he should be here with us. So I also did the same research. What I want to tell you, the astrology definitely is the king, but it has divisions, which is Vedic, numerology, tarot reading, face reading, and pendulum dowsing. So everything is same. So whatever we do, whatever science we pick up, the result we get absolutely the same. It's just that what is our domain. So when I did the research by astrology, first of all, I would like to tell you that when I saw his chart, because I have his date of birth, when I saw his chart, so I told my friend on the way that he has to come. He will come. Why? Because unki jo Mahadasha hai, that's Rahu ki Mahadasha, and Antardasha is of Rahu, right? So same way, if we talk about numerology, unka jo personal year hai, that is Venus. So हमारा UK आना, what is it? Luxury, right? It's comfort. We are leisure. So ये हमारा Venus है, and his personal month is again Rahu. So there Rahu, Antardasha is Rahu, personal year is Venus, personal month is Rahu, right? And the third study I did with my tarot reading, again I got the Lovers card, again which says that it's going to be celebration. Venus is a Venus card, luxury, and victory he is going to get. And the fourth study which I did with my pendulum dowsing, and I told him when I did with my pendulum dowsing that he was very sure about that he will get his visa on Wednesday, but I told him that you will not get your visa on Wednesday, you will get it on Thursday, the 17th.
Yeah.
And on the same day, he got his visa on 17th. And when Patiyantar Dasha, 9th house, which shows long travel, 9th house jab active hua, which is of long travel, on 20th July he flew. On the same day, he took his flight. So which I told him before our journey, before 18th, I told him that you will fly on 20th. The same day he flew. So that was my research with my all studies. Okay. And the second thing now I would like to tell you about the face reading. Since I'm a face reader as well, see, Jyotish in Vedic, we have to have a date of birth, right? And again, in some other science, numerology, we have to have date of birth. But when we do a face reading, it's not necessary that we should have a date of birth, which is called Samudrik Shastra. Face reading is also part of Samudrik Shastra. We don't have to have a date of birth. So by this, you can actually gauge the personality of the person, how person behaves, what is the personality, the character, and if you have to do any partnership with anyone, we can definitely gauge it the first time without knowing the date of birth, whether this person is going to be good for our business or not. And for the same, for the marriage compatibility, whether this person is going to be fine with us for whole marriage life or not. And it also tells whether you are nervous, happy, and sad. So our right side shows Shiva, and the left side shows Shakti. That is why we are Shiva Shakti. So the right side is prominent, then you have a Shiva quality, masculine quality, energetic. And when your left side is prominent, you have a feminine quality, which means materialistic, right? Caring, emotional. Right, so same way, we have three zones. This is our mental zone, social zone, and physical zone. When you have a social zone, denotes your imagination. You take decision when you think, and you take decision, right? The same way, I just want to tell you, I'm giving you an example about our face reading. So the face shape, if we say, this is her social zone, this is the middle zone, which is, mental, social, and physical. So if I say her mental zone is broad, which means she has wisdom, knowledge, right? And when she takes decisions, she thinks before she takes. And again, her physical zone is broad, longer. This means she is emotional too. And physical activities she does. She has to have money. She has to do a lot of physical activities, right? Oh, weightlifter. I didn't know that she's a weightlifter. So like
Very good.
like Virat
Very good,
Dhoni, their physical, this zone is very prominent. And last thing I would like to tell about the nose. The person who has a long nose, जिसकी नाक लंबी है, long nose, that person has got a leadership quality. The person who has a plumped nose with a tip, that person wealth and prosperity is always stable. And जिनका nostril is like open, nostril होता है ना, which is very big open, the money always goes. That person cannot save. And the remedy for that, you should have a red wallet. Keep your money in red wallet. And the person who has a nostril, banda hua nostril, the money is like the person has a phobia of spending, low budgeting, does not have abundance. The person should have as a remedy a golden and a yellow wallet. Thank you very much.